Hi, this is Mike Schwitz from Sound Connection Inc., 2017 Mobile Electronics Retailer of the Year for Chain Store. I've been installing professionally for the last 15 years, and the last 3 currently at Sound Connection Inc. Being one of only 2 installers at our location, I don't get to have a single installation specialty. During the winter months, I'm a remote start expert, doing anywhere from 6 to 8 remote starts a day. In summertime, my specialty switches to fabrication. I do the majority of our custom work, whether it's cars, golf carts, power sports. I'm also our in-house tuner between both locations. I make sure any of our vehicles get tuned and sound the best they possibly can. The Mustang I built last year placed very well at Slamology and iASCA and Mecca. Basically, I'm a jack of all trades, everything from fabrication, remote starts, leather kits, heated seats, still doing deck and floors, and anything else that needs to be done around our shop. My installation philosophy is to be consistent every time and install to the highest industry standards, which leads to me becoming an extremely efficient installer, because every one of my installs from front to back will look the same every time, whether it's for serviceability or just ease of installation. People in the industry who have influenced me and continue to influence me every year are people such as Christopher McNulty. I've worked with him in the past. He's my best friend in the industry. He's always the one pushing me to submit every year and be better than I was last year, pointing out any little flaws I may have in an install that he can see. But great guy. Loved working with him. Wish I could manage to get back to Virginia. He does so much for the industry, so involved, continues to better himself. Ada, charisma from him and the energy is out of this world. I love any chance I get to hang with Ada. Again, he does so much for our industry with his videos, his Facebook Lives. And then there's Shag Murley, the guy I'm chasing every year for remote starts. This guy is a remote start god, and everything I try to strive for during the 6 months out of the year we have snow in Minnesota. My co-workers would describe me as dedicated, hardworking, a woodshop Nazi, always at the shop. Challenges I've faced over the last year have been quite a few. We moved into a new shop in March of last year, so getting the new shop organized, up and functional has been a challenge over the last year. As with every other year, I take on way too many projects. Before K-Fest Indy, I had to build a demo car for B2 Audio, along with all of the displays, a booth, and part of a van for demo. I've also been working on that van up until Slamology this weekend. What I want customers to remember from my installations is they got more than they were expecting, whether it's a little fancy piece on their custom trunk install, a little embossing on a simple box, an extra USB cable for them, or anything else to step up my install a little bit from what they came in the door expecting. Why should I be top 50 installer? Every year I try to better myself, higher industry standards, pushing my creativity and installation abilities to the limit, taking on more roles. This year I decided to offer a couple of free fabrication trainings at our shop. I've also signed up to be a mentor and volunteered to teach a class at K-Fest Dallas. Every year I just try to do more and more for the industry and better myself as an installer and a person. How I influence others at the shop. I try to be active in and out of our area, whether it's online or hosting local shows, and I've been starting to get our other guys at our other shop involved in this as well. I try to train them when I can on fabrication or just simple installation abilities, and do anything I can to push them to be better installers than they were yesterday. Here's our install base. There's Ian's bay over there, along with our wall full of dash kits, wire harnesses. Ian's second bay, our tint bay and plotter area, my storage shelf for door panels and miscellaneous stuff, We're upstairs where we keep all of our product. The wood room, my favorite place to be. We have all our metalworking, drill press, sanders, polishers, chop saw, press for pressing grills. We have 2 router tables, all of our router bits, our table saw. We have quite a few templates from quite a few different people. And now onto my toolbox. So here's my work area. My laptop, all of my awards. Prince logo that Chris McNulty made me. Picture of my wife's favorite celebrity. And my top drawer. Most used tools, sockets, pliers, multimeter, strippers, soldering iron. Second drawer is all my pick tools, panel tools, screwdrivers. We got some wrenches in this drawer. All of my miscellaneous car tools in here, torque wrench, some rollers. All of my Allens and torque bits. Another miscellaneous drawer, tape storage for everybody. And the bottom drawer that everybody has, full of magazines, CDs, and a bunch of random stuff. My tape, my knives, files. Just started getting into air tools. Recently picked up a small impact and an air ratchet, some impact sockets, and then drill bits, battery chargers, power drawer. And that's my workspace where I spend every day here at Sound Connection.